world from you withholds all its silver and its gold, and you have to get along with meager fare. Just remember in his words how he feeds the little birds. Just take your burdens to the Lord and leave it there. Leave it there. Leave them there. Take your burdens to the Lord and leave it there. If you trust him and never doubt, he will surely bring you out. Just take your burdens to the Lord and leave it there. If your body suffers pain and your health you can't regain, and your soul is almost sinking in deep despair, see, my Jesus knows the pain you feel. He can save you, and he surely